What is the best thing about having a bidet attachment on your toilet? And I have experience with bidets. This is what it looks like. Don't drink from it like I did. Let me show you why you're going to love it. So when you eat, okay, you're going to have poo-poo packed up in you. And what you're going to use the bidet for is to squirt that water inside. And then you're going to let it just flow out of you, and it feels so good.
Wake up, man. This is how you get your day started.
There's really no way you can clean yourself out like that without a bidet. And I'm going to show you the best bidet attachment. If we take a little look-see at my Amazon ordering history, you're going to see that I'm on my third bidet attachment order. Now, the first two were the Astor bidet freshwater spray bidet attachments, and I ordered those way back in 2016, and that's when I fell in love with them. I had to have them on my toilets.
Toilet water.
You can see there. Look how much I'm enjoying it.
Toilet water.
And I love these bidet attachments so much that I took them with me when I moved to a new house, but one of the Astors broke, and then I saw this one that had taken over the ratings and reviews and the sales. This is the Luxe bidet. I got the blue and white variety, and I said, man, I have to try this. The Astor was good, but it did break on me. This could be better. This is the Neo 120. Self-cleaning nozzle. That was a feature that was not on the Astor. Pretty cool. Relatively the same price, $32.99, easy to assemble. Even a woman could attach this, I promise you. Even a woman. Your wife could probably do this, maybe. So let's go ahead. Let me show you what a typical morning looks like and how much I love this freaking Luxe bidet attachment. There it is. It's attached. It's ready to squirt up inside. Fill me like a water balloon and just get everything out. And you have never started a day off feeling that clean in your life. I promise you. Absolutely promise you. You don't even need tools for this. No tools required. So I'm going to drop trow, I'm going to take a seat, and I'm going to let you guys just get wrapped up and kind of feel like you're sitting there alongside of me, and how it feels to enjoy and start your day off with one of these bidet attachments. Link is in the description. And if you noticed, I do keep a portable fan right there by the toilet to keep me cool, to keep me calm, especially on mornings like this, because the night before I did have some Mexican. I had a little American Mexican, a little Taco Bell, a lot of cheese. I'm a little blocked up. The fan keeps me cool, it keeps me calm, and it keeps me pursuing the goal. That right there is a cup of homemade gnat catching formula. You will see that in a future review. So as I strain a little bit, I push a little bit, I am motivated by the bidet to get things done, because I know I'll be able to start spraying that water up inside of me. And oh, what a feeling, ladies and gentlemen. It feels so freaking good, you have no idea. And then the release, the muddy waterfall afterwards. You'll want to do it over and over and over again. People are going to be knocking on the bathroom door. What are you doing? You tell them to get the heck away from you. Daddy is busy. Or maybe you invite them in. I don't know. I am not one to judge. But here we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. This is what you can experience with this Luxe bidet. And this is only round one. You'll notice it gets better as we start clearing things out inside of there. And if you get a little parched, if you get a little dehydrated, just hop off of there, turn it on, take a sip, then get back down to business. And as I've done this hundreds of times, I can give you a tip. You need to relax. You need to relax it down there, open it up, let it in. And having controls of those muscles down there are going to help you get the most out of this and out of you.
Oh my goodness. That's 2 thumbs up.
Toilet water.
Do you want free stuff? 13 years of silly reviews, and I've got too much stuff. So now I have free stuff for you. Would you like to win this stuff? Well, now Silly Reviews has giveaways. I'm giving away free random stuff. Just go to sillyreviews.com/fan club. An email and a first name is all you need to be entered in every giveaway. Just enter your email address, your first name, and hit subscribe. Hey you, what are you waiting for? Register for the fan club and you're automatically entered to win. That's sillyreviews.com/fan club.